Hi. Thanks for watching. Today, I want to tell you about the American Airlines Premium Economy flight from Barcelona to Chicago. The best value for money. With the Premium Economy ticket, you can enjoy the privileges of priority, speed through check-in, security and boarding at the airport, and get your checked bags first when you land. On the plane, you can enjoy a spacious, comfortable and reclining seat. American Airlines elevate the dining experience as the official airline partner of the James Beard Foundation, a premier culinary organization. The menus feature dishes designed by a portfolio of elite chefs respected in their craft. The premium cabins are stocked with a variety of beers, wines and spirits to complement the in-flight menu. On the flight from Barcelona to Chicago, in addition to dinner, I was offered a breakfast based on sliced fruit. In addition to the blanket, pillow, and headphones for listening to music, they also offer a complete amenity kit, created by Shinola. Premium economy seats include 2 checked suitcases, in addition to the hand luggage, premium food, which is the same as business seats, and free seat choice. In addition, if you have a frequent flyer card from American Airlines, or one of its partners, they give you enough miles so that every 2 or 3 flights, you get one for free. During the flight, the toilets between premium and economy can be used. Due to their location, there are no tails, and they are cleaned regularly. Please, consider leaving a review of the American Airlines Premium Economy flight to help other travelers to decide if it's right for them.